Hello and welcome back to Mickey Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna draw Pinkie Pie from My Little Pony. So let's get started. Let's go first with the hair. Start with two angular shapes. Going to a tip, then up, and keep semicircle lines around all the head. Going to a side, then at the bottom, draw the ear. Now from this part, let's go down to create the face. Here one eye, then the snout, and then going up. Finish the gap. From this part, going down again to create the mouth. From this side, an horizontal line to finish the jaw. And now let's go with the eye. A big ovally shape with some tips for the eyelashes. Another line for the hair. Now let's go with the body. From the jaw, do a line going down, then to a side for the body. And now at the left side, you can finish the hair. Keep doing angular shapes, finishing in a tip, and then going up with circular lines. Add two circles in the eyes. Small line for the nose. Now let's go with the legs. A straight line going down to a point, then to a side, then going up again. A line for the belly, then another one for the second leg, going up. From the top to a side and then going down. Repeat the same line for the other leg. And the last one in a different angle. A small line in the ear. Now let's go with the tail. Start from one point at the back, going up at the level of the eyes, then going down in circular lines, finishing in a tip, and then a second one from the back, creating the volume of the tail, always with circular lines. And that's it, we're done! If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for new video lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!